Turning your hobby into a business. Can you imagine earning money from doing something that you really love? That's what Bakargul Tolegenkizi has been doing ever since she turned her hobby into a business. When Bakargul was a young girl, she began collecting gold and silver antiques from her home country, Kazakhstan. Then, in her 20s, she displayed some pieces from her collection in an exhibition. The exhibition was such a success that she traveled all over the country with it. She then set up her own museum in Almaty. There are over 1,000 exhibits in the museum now, including rugs and clothes, kitchen equipment, ancient weapons, and jewelry that is centuries old. Entrance to the museum is free, so Bakargul doesn't make any money there. Bakargul also wanted to share the beauty of her country's history with tourists and locals. So she set up another business, Ademi Ai. Ademi Ai has a team of designers and artists who create beautiful souvenirs, such as miniatures of famous Kazakh landmarks like the Bayterek Tower, textiles with traditional patterns, and wonderful jewelry. They make all their products from high-quality materials and engrave many of them with Kazakh wishes and expressions. Ademi Ai is very successful and has even created official souvenirs for the Asian Winter Games.